Welcome to the funeral program site, home of the largest selection of DIY templates, printed memorials, and personalized in loving memory keepsake products. In this video, we are featuring our Hilltop funeral program template design. Before we get started, please take a moment to like and subscribe to our channel. This enables us to continue making great content to equip you during a time of loss. The design for this funeral program is presented with a wonderful tree-lined landscape with rolling hills in the nearby horizon. A golden sunset makes its way behind the majestic hillside, depicting a glorious day's end. The main colors presented in this design are green hues. The front cover creates a bird's-eye view of lush trees with lighter center to highlight a photo or your personalized text. This template includes our program title image that reads "In Loving Memory." You are able to change the title by removing it and creating your own text box and using fonts from your computer. The back of the program continues the picturesque outdoor scene with white transparent overlay box, ready to contain your text or photos. The inside of the program continues with a softened, transparent outdoor design, with lighter center set behind your content to properly highlight an order of service, poetry, or obituary information. This design is from our outdoor collection and is a perfect choice for either a special man, woman, or anyone who enjoyed the beauty of nature. We provide filler text within the entire template to help guide you along, but you are free to edit and change it as desired. There is a photo box on the cover and text boxes on the back and inside pages. You are able to change the shape of the photo box and can insert additional photos anywhere within the template, if desired. The program prints on 8.5 by 11 inches or letter-size paper, front and back. The program folds directly down the center and measures 5.5 inches wide by 8.5 inches in height, when folded. Our template is expandable to unlimited pages with all fields editable. This purchase is an immediate download which includes template formats for Word, Publisher, Apple Pages, and Google Docs. Our Hilltop design is offered in this traditional letter bifold program and many other styles. Order this funeral program template today, only available at thefuneralprogramsite.com.